Entrepreneurship Basics. What is entrepreneurship? And when should I pursue entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneurship? Did you know that the word entrepreneurship comes from a French word, entreprendre, which basically means to undertake? How about that? Did you realize that when you signed up for this entrepreneurship class, that you were going to learn how to be undertakers? That's right. So undertakers has the implication of action orientation, to do. So in entrepreneurship, what exactly are you supposed to undertake? Here in the business school, I want to define entrepreneurship as new venture creation, otherwise known as starting a business, which is the name of this class. So if you're an entrepreneur and you are going to have new venture creation, exactly what kind of business do you want to start? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your aspirations. If you take a look at the chart here, I have the blue color chart and the green color chart. In the blue color chart, this represents the number of people in the population. So at the bottom of the blue color chart is lots of people, and at the top of the blue chart is very few people. All right? So the way you read this chart is down at the bottom, there are lots of people in the world who can create businesses that have very tiny economic impact, what we call micro businesses. Micro businesses are typically known as extra income, all right, or side hustles, if you will. Then as you move up the blue chart, right in the middle there are many people in the population who create businesses that are called small businesses. And small businesses are typically self-employment, sole proprietorships, maybe small mom and pop types of shops. And these businesses provide the main income for the entrepreneur. Finally, at the top of the blue chart, there are very few people in this world who can create businesses that have maximum impact, economic impact. And we call these growth-oriented businesses. And so these growth-oriented businesses provide the main source of income and create lots of jobs. So they maximize economic impact. This is the think big philosophy of entrepreneurship. And as a matter of fact, at the Caruth Institute for Entrepreneurship, this is our mission, is to try to encourage our students to think big. So, if today you don't have any startups that you're working on right now, what I would ask you to do is do a micro business. Start a side hustle. Get into the game. If you already have a side hustle, how about talking to me to discuss how we can make this side hustle your actual full-time job? How about that? Actually doing full-time something that you enjoy, that you're passionate about, that you're the boss. If you currently already run a small business, let's have a discussion about how we can scale your business and convert it to a growth-oriented business where you can provide lots of jobs, lots of income to lots of people, and maximize your economic impact. So this is called your aspiration. Exactly what type of startup do you want to do?